everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're still enjoying my Halloween intro because only a couple more weeks of it. Anyway, again, sorry for my voice. I'm suffering from a little bit of a cold and possibly some allergies, so bear with me. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I've never actually done a spread like this before, even though I normally really like the ones that I see. And it's sort of like a hypothetical situation, almost like, I guess you could say it's sort of like a fan fiction, but it's not really that deep. It's sort of just like an aesthetic spread, like what it would be like to go to the art museum with Jungkook. And the reason I decided to do this spread actually was because on my birthday I had wanted to go to the art museum. It was a long story, and my best friend and I were joking that Jungkook would totally take me to the art museum for my birthday. And so that's kind of where this stemmed from. I actually did the spread for my birthday, which was October 10th. And it's just sort of like, oh, what would it be like to spend a day at the art museum with Jungkook? I've been reluctant to do spreads like this because I'm afraid that people will like be judgy of them or think that it's weird. Just keep in mind, it's really not that serious. It's just kind of a fun thing to do. So yeah, that's what this spread is. And so what I did was I printed off some pictures of Jungkook that I thought would go with the aesthetic of the art museum pictures that I picked out. And then I used some scrapbook paper and a page out of a book and some things like that to add a little bit more to the spread. So after I did the art museum part of the lettering, I wanted to put with Jungkook underneath it. And I really kind of struggled with how I wanted that to look. I started drawing it on my marker paper first with intentions of cutting it out, and I didn't like it. So then I decided to just write it straight into the journal, and I still didn't like it. So I decided to leave it for a second and continue on with the rest of the spread and then come back to it after the rest of the pictures were glued down. Also, as you can see, I used pictures of long hair Jungkook, which is no more. Can we just take a moment to remember? Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time. And who can say if your love grows as your heart shows, only time. Gone but never forgotten. Also, you guys know that I love to do these little Polaroids in my spread. I use them all the time, but I feel like this was the most perfect opportunity to use them because, of course, if you were artsy and you went to an art museum and you wanted to be all aesthetic, of course you would take Polaroid pictures. Come on. Anyways, I finally figured out what I wanted to do with the Jungkook part. I just wrote with my white gel pen on a piece of scrapbook paper and ripped it out and just covered up what I had written because I just didn't like it. And then for the writing portion of this, I just kind of talked about, like why I think going to an art museum with Jungkook would be fun and like you know, how, like in Bon Voyage, he complained to Jimin about how they could look at this stuff online, like, why do they have to go there? So he'd probably complain like that, but he'd actually have a good time because, you know, he likes art, he appreciates that kind of stuff. I don't know. It's just kind of, it was fun. I kind of want to do more like this. I saw someone do one where it was like camping with all of BTS, and that one looked really fun. So let me know if you like this style. I don't know. I kind of like it. I thought it was kind of fun, especially if you don't take it too seriously, you know? And here's the final spread. I really like this spread a lot. I think it's really cool, and it was a lot of fun to do. Like, I really want to do more spreads like this. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like the spread? Do you like this kind of spread? Did you enjoy this video? If so, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.